Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make Carbonated French Vanilla Cappuccino Orange Vanilla. First thing you gotta do is open up this lid of the French Vanilla Cappuccino mixer and put 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, Then after that, you pour in the water. Then after that, you stir it up. And then here is the unsweet Orange Vanilla Carbonated Fizzy water. You open up and you pour it into this cup. Ooh, not bad. And here is your Carbonated French Vanilla Cappuccino Orange Vanilla. Thank you for watching and have a peaceful